Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I've got one of my favorite videos of each month today, and that is the unboxing of my Boxycharm box. This is the February box, and I decided that in addition to the unboxing this month, I'm going to put together a look with whatever products are inside. That is why I'm only wearing foundation and concealer right now, because they don't really send out foundation and concealer because that's just too much of a hassle to match everybody. So I have my foundation and concealer on, and we're going to see what is inside this month's box, and then I'm gonna put together a look with it. So here's the inside to this month's box. I've got my creator card there, and then this month's box theme is Boxy XOXO, which is so fitting for Valentine's Day, of course. And so it's got the list of products on the back here and what they're worth and a little bit of information about each product, which that card is included in every box. So let's hop right into it. Here are the products here, and I will start with the one that is sticking out the most to me, and it is by a brand that I absolutely love. It is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, which is really interesting because I actually really needed a blackhead scrub, and I love Tula, so I'm excited to use this. I actually haven't used this product in particular before. It says Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Got pores, get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores, and it is worth $32. So obviously I won't be using this today because I am putting together a makeup look, but nonetheless, I'm really excited to try this out, and as always, I will let you guys know what I think of it. Typically when I use skincare products, if I really love them, I'll post them in my Instagram stories and tell you why I love them. So always keep an eye on my Instagram stories because you'll see more of these products on there. So next we have the Trestique Eye Duo. It says Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil, which is really neat. So these will definitely be used in today's video. And it says here the Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil, an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision, and it is worth $44. I feel like I've heard the brand Trestique before. I think I have tried a Trestique product. I can't remember what it was, to be honest with you, but I'm really excited that the pencil is made for sensitive eyes, because sometimes when I use different mascaras or eyeliners when I'm in the shower or like washing my face off, they tend to burn my eyes a little bit. So I'm excited that this is for sensitive eyes, so I won't have to worry about that. And next we have the NCLA Los Angeles Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil, and it's got little hearts in there. You can see that there. That's so cute. And it says here NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion. You'll heart this limited edition of Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. And this is worth $18. So I've actually tried this product before, and I still have one. I think it's the same thing. Let me see. Yes, so I have the regular one here. I actually got this in a other subscription box, in my FabFitFun box like a year ago maybe. But this is the Valentine's Day edition, and it is so cute. So I adore that. I'll actually probably give one of these to my mom, the one that I haven't opened yet. I will give to my mom. I know she'll absolutely love that. I actually got some nail polish recently, so maybe I'll give myself a whole manicure for Valentine's Day. So next we have this, I don't know what it is. It says Glamier on it, and it looks like brushes. Oh yeah. They come in this cute little pink case, like a little pencil case here. And here are the brushes, how pretty. So I've actually never tried this brand before, or these brushes, but how cute are they? Look at the handle. The little hearts inside, or the little glitter inside. This one's a little stuck, but it like goes back and forth, and the bristles are like an ombre pink and white. They are adorable. I'm really excited to try these. So I will use these for the look that I put together today. The bristles feel really soft, which I really like, so hopefully these work out for me. And it says here the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, and I totally apologize if I'm pronouncing the brand wrong, but it says glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless, and they are worth $29.95, and they are a new launch, so that's really really exciting. Also, this bag smells like, remember when you were like younger and you would get a new pool float for the pool and you would take it out of the box and it smelled like plastic? That is what this smells like, but it's kind of like nostalgic. And lastly, we've got an eyeshadow palette, which usually these boxes contain an eyeshadow palette, so I'm really excited. And I'm super excited that it is from Wander Beauty because I haven't tried a Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette yet. And it says Getaway, the eye and face palette. So let's see what it looks like. So here is the outside of the palette. It feels very high quality, like the packaging. So here is the inside of the palette. It looks like we've got a blush and a highlighter on these sides there, and then some eyeshadows in the middle. And I really love that it is a neutral palette because those are the palettes that I get the most use out of. Granted, I get use out of all my palettes, but the neutral palettes are like an everyday palette for me, so this is really exciting. And I will definitely be trying this out in the video today. So it says here, Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it is worth $36. So what I'll do next is I will put together a look with the products that I have here, considering I have on my foundation and concealer already. It seems like this box came with enough products to finish the rest of the look, besides the lip. I do have a lip color in the drawer behind me that I can use though, but I will do the look and then I will count up the value of the total box at the end and let you guys know a little bit more about this box. So since I already have concealer on my eyelids, and typically I do use concealer as an eyeshadow primer just because I prefer concealer over eyeshadow primers that I've found thus far. That's not to say that there isn't a primer out there that I'll absolutely love, but so far I haven't really found one that I love or that looks better than me using concealer as a base. So since I have that on already, I will just hop right into doing the eyeshadow look. So I think what I will do first is I will use the shade Villa right here as my base. And I will use this brush right here to apply that base. So right off the bat, these are very pigmented, so that's a good sign. Granted, the base color is a bit darker than I had hoped for. It came out a bit darker than it looked in the pan, but they did say that these were very pigmented shadows, so props to them for keeping their word on that. And then next, for just going over the base and the inside of my eye, I'm going to use the shade Cabana, which is this top one right here, and it is like a light shimmer. So there's that. I actually mixed it a little with the shade Yacht, which is this one here, just because the first one wasn't coming out very pigmented. It is very shimmery though. Also, I did have to switch to using a Morphe brush for that because it is more of a creamy shadow. So the Glammier brushes, which are like very soft bristled, wasn't picking up the shadow like this compact Morphe brush was. So I switched to that brush to apply that. The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to use the shade Road Trip, which is this one right here for the outer portions of my eye. It looks like that because I did just swatch it, and I like the shade, so we're going to try that on the outsides of my eye. And for that, I'm going to use another Glammier brush. I'm going to use this one here to blend it in. So that'll do it for the eyeshadow. The darker shade, what did I say it was, Road Trip, actually came out a lot darker than the other shimmery shades, and this one actually felt like it had a bit more of a powder pigment in it, or a powder consistency in it, than the lighter shimmer shades, which felt more creamy. However, I think that the powder helped it to become a bit more pigmented, but nonetheless, I did go back in with, and Lord forgive me, but I used my finger for the Cabana shade, which was the lighter shimmer, and I feel like that actually went onto my eye a bit more easier. However, this look did come out a bit dark, but that's okay. We're gonna, make it look okay on my very pale skin with some highlighter and some blush. But before we do that, let's finish up the eye look. So let's break into this trusty eye duo. So we will start with the eyeliner, which is this very sleek pencil here. Again, I don't typically use pencil eyeliner. I typically use a liquid eyeliner because I just like how crisp it looks, but let's see how this works for us. So there's the eyeliner. I will say that it goes on very smooth. However, with the pencil point, it makes it hard for a nice crisp line, which is what I'm used to with a liquid eyeliner, which is what I personally prefer. I like a nice crisp line. So that made this a little bit difficult. As you can see, like the wings of my eyeliner are very thick. However, I will say that I did go in with this Glammier brush with the very like fine point top and kind of not really, well, smudge it out, but when I smudged it out, I made it a little bit more crisp than it originally went on with just the pencil. So if you're going to use this, I would recommend having like a smudge brush on hand to do that. But nonetheless, it did come out quite dark, which is nice, and I did smudge very nice, and it was very creamy, so that's cool. So next for the mascara, which I'm really excited to use this contraption. So if you pull off the top here, you've got an eyelash curler, so it's flipped down to curl. Oh, look at that. So you pull the top off and then it turns into an eyelash curler. This is actually really neat. I haven't had an eyelash curler in forever. So this is cool to try out. So then after curling my eyelashes, I'm gonna try the mascara. So then I just take the whole eyeshadow or eyelash curler off. And here is the wand. So let's see how this works. That came out pretty good. I'm actually pretty surprised. Mascara is a product that I'm extremely picky about, but I also love trying different mascaras to see which work and which don't, which look good and which are kind of like meh. And I think this one actually looks pretty good. I put a couple of coats on, so I think you can't really get away with one coat, but if you put a couple on, I'm quite impressed. So next I'm gonna break out some of my Wish Beauty brushes and go back to the Wander palette for the blush and highlighter. First, let's do a little highlight, see how that turns out. So I'm actually super impressed with the highlight. I don't know if you can really tell on here, but it came out really nice. I actually really like it. And like I'm looking in this and my eyeliner looks so bad. I'm so not used to doing a pencil eyeliner. So please ignore that. But in any case, I really like the highlighter. So next, let's try out the blush. So I'm actually really impressed with the blush as well. It's like very subtle, like you can see it in the mirror here. I know it's kind of hard to see in the camera, but I can see it in the mirror here and it actually looks really nice. And then just to finish things up for a lip, I used a permanent pout lip color from Pop Beauty that I had, and I used the Pop Beauty Magnet Mist setting spray to set my face. So there you have it. There is the full look. I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow palette and the mascara and the brushes. The eyeliner, again, I am a liquid eyeliner kind of person, but I think for a pencil eyeliner, I've tried quite a few pencil eyeliners. I think for a pencil eyeliner, this one actually worked really well. As long as you know how to apply it. I kind of fixed that wing a little bit, but still, it could use somewhere. So I will for sure try the Tula product in my skincare routine tonight, and I will let you guys know on my Instagram stories if I like it. I'm sure I will because I love Tula products. So with that, let me add up what the total value of the box is, and we'll talk more about the box. So I added it all up, and this month's box is worth $159.95, making it the base box. The base box has 5 full-size products, and you pay $25 a month for this box, and on average it has $175 worth of products inside, which you're only paying $25 a month. So getting all those products, which as we know can add up if you just go to the store and buy them a la carte, this is great. It also is a great way to expand your makeup horizons and try new products. If you want more than 5 products a month, the premium box is 6 to 7 products a month at $35 a month, and it is a $215 average value, so that is even more products. And then there is the Luxe box, which is a quarterly box, and that includes beauty and lifestyle products, and that is $49.95 a quarter. In addition, those who subscribe to Boxycharm are given exclusive discounts and access to products before they launch. As you can see, the one product in here was a new launch. Which one was it? The brushes were a new launch, so you know you're getting to try out products before many others are, because they're not widely available just yet. There are also often products in these boxes that are Boxy exclusives. I remember there was a Natasha Denona palette, which is one of my favorite palettes of all time. It was a Boxy exclusive, so you could only get that product in a Boxycharm box. It is just really a great subscription box to try out new beauty products, or if you have a friend or family member, or you know somebody whose birthday is coming up who love trying out different skincare and makeup products, this is a great gift for them. That way they can try out different things and you're not stuck wondering, you know, what you can get them or if they'll like it, because you know they will like getting a surprise in the mail each month. So if you have any other questions about Boxycharm or this Boxycharm box, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. And if there are any other subscription boxes out there that you would like to see unboxed or want to know what's inside or more information on, please let me know and I'll try my best to get my hands on them. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it so you are notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at BrieCutter. And until next time, see you guys.